Welcome to Let's Get Shots for America. Today we'll be discussing the chickenpox vaccine. Before we dive deeper into the vaccine, let's first discuss the disease target, Varicella. Varicella, commonly known as the chickenpox, is a viral disease that is caused by the Varicella zoster virus. Symptoms of a chickenpox infection include an itchy rash, fluid-filled blisters that eventually become scabs all over the body, fever, headache, and tiredness. Transmission of chickenpox occurs due to contact with an infected individual, and 90% of those who are susceptible to infection will become infected if in contact with someone with the chickenpox. Now, let's take a deeper look at the chickenpox vaccine. This vaccine falls into the live attenuated vaccine class. This means that a live but modified version of the virus is used to induce protective immunity. This vaccine is given in two 0.5 intramuscular doses. The first dose of this vaccine is given at age 12 to 15 months, and then the second not until 4 to 6 years old. Now, let's discuss what makes up the chickenpox vaccine. Mentioned earlier, the active ingredient of this vaccine is a weakened form of the chickenpox virus. Sucrose and gelatin make sure the vaccine remains potent and unchanged during storage and transportation. They are also both commonly found in food. Sodium chloride, also known as table salt, helps the vaccine remain stable, as well as can assist balancing the pH of the vaccine. Monosodium L-glutamate, commonly known as MSG, is a preservative that protects the vaccine from heat, light, and acidity during storage. Sodium phosphate dibasic and potassium phosphate monobasic are both buffers that work to maintain a stable pH in the vaccine, close to the pH of the human body. The residual ingredients are MRC5 cells, EDTA, neomycin, and fetal bovine serum. These are used earlier in vaccine production and may only be present at trace levels in the final vaccine. Let's now discuss the importance of getting vaccinated. Getting vaccinated against the chickenpox can prevent multiple infections. If you experience a chickenpox infection, the virus will then live dormant in your body for the rest of your life. Then, at an older age, this can trigger a shingles infection. Getting vaccinated can prevent both of these from occurring. Getting vaccinated can also limit the spread of chickenpox. Getting vaccinated can ensure that you or your child cannot spread chickenpox to anyone else. This protects yourself and those around you. Now, let's take a look at some common myths about the chickenpox vaccine. First, that the vaccine can give you chickenpox. While this is a common myth, the antigen that is used in this vaccine is specifically modified so it cannot become infectious like the wild virus. Another myth is that normal infection is better than vaccination for immunity. Normal infection with chickenpox does not provide better immunity compared to vaccination. They are the same. However, infection requires you or your child to experience the negative symptoms of the chickenpox, as well as being contagious to others. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to check out these references if you would like to learn more, and let's get shots.